Minexa.ai removes the need for scraping libraries, proxies, and headless browsers by handling everything automatically behind the scenes, making it easy to scrape project listing data quickly. Open your target page on Gitlab.com. Minexa handles rendering and structure detection automatically. Launch Minexa, one interface that works with any website for fast, no-code data extraction. Hit the button so Minexa understands how the page is structured and how additional results are revealed as you navigate through the project's list. Minexa detected how this site loads more results and will follow every page automatically without extra setup. Select whether to scrape only what's visible on the list or also navigate into each project's detail page for full extraction. Click Continue for simple pages or switch to advanced mode when content appears after interactions like dropdowns or tabs that must be triggered first. The highlighted block contains your dataset. Click Create Scraper to start the analysis and extract project listing data. Every data point is mapped to the right part of the page. Select columns like project IDs, names, and descriptions to ensure accurate, consistent extraction every time. Click API Request to get Python code with the right preset applied. It handles proxies, JavaScript rendering, and retries for Gitlab.com scraping. Looks good. Click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and proceed with your project listing extraction setup. Pagination is part of your scraper now. Each run collects the full dataset across all project pages automatically. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets and every run will push fresh project data there automatically. Click Run. Each field is pulled from its exact DOM selector, ensuring consistent columns for project IDs, names, and descriptions across every page. What you see here spans multiple pages, but each row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. You can drop this data straight into databases, pipelines, or spreadsheets for easy analysis. Click Export. This scraper can be run again anytime to pull fresh Gitlab.com project listings without reconfiguration. This is what Minexa does. It turns any website into a clean, structured dataset in minutes with no code or setup required.